And we are back here at the Starlight Village and their model homes. This is that mid-century modern project here that we were talking about in Leander. In fact, these are very affordable. This particular home is only a few steps away from that really nice pool area and outdoor entertainment area. Let's go on inside and check it out. First thing I noticed, and I commented on this before, very unique way of getting storage here. Good guy, whoever the builder is, they did a fantastic job thinking through some of the things here. They also did a really amazing job at the floor plans and kind of creating that mid-century vibe. Like kind of here's a couple examples of the different types of homes you can get out here. Some of them look like you can get it at another community called Agave, but not of this quality. I got to tell you, I'm really impressed with the high ceilings and the finish out details of this particular builder. You know, they start in the 300s here, but they can go over 550 for sure. So check out the floor plan and models. One of the things I like about this project is it's so much light. There's not a single light bulb on this place, and it's very bright. Check it out, a little downstairs work area. Oh, this is a bedroom. This is a master. Little exit outside, I like that too. Carpet in this particular unit. I saw an e-pay option in the last one we looked at. Good closets here too. Very important to have those good closets, and this one has it for sure. Let's go check it out. Outdoor area. Let's show that outdoor area. It's private. I like it too. There's that storage shed that I was talking about. Finish out details. They do a really good job of trying to keep that look of the mid-century build. It brought it up to today's standards, which is a much better quality standard, energy efficient, and a number of other things. This particular unit has carpet upstairs. Okay, 1, 2, another 4 bedrooms here. Let's check this out. Bedroom number 1. 2 closets. Nice little outside deck. Bathroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 4. It's nice. It's a nice little yard, little hike and bike trail right out there too. Something to walk around with the dogs. Nice, look at these tall ceilings. I'm impressed. Good job.